Today's dish has a special place in my heart. Loobia polo is kind of an orphan because no city in Iran claims it as its own. But today I'm taking it under my wing. Let's make my little baby together. Loobia polo means green beans and rice. So the star of today is the green bean. We need to wash the green beans and let them dry. Then roughly chop a large onion. Maybe I'm not good at working with a knife, but I'm a magician.
Do you have any idea how to stop crying when you are cutting onion?
See the magic. I think Loobia polo is the best way to serve beans to kids and picky eaters. As you can see, I cut the beans into 2 centimeter pieces. Working with a knife is a therapy for me and makes me chill, guys. Get away. I also had finely chopped lamb meat. If you don't, chop them. Some use ground beef, but I prefer it this way because it looks more beautiful. In a hot pan, add some oil, and when the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and start fry over the onions until the onions change color. Then add the meat. And when the meat changes color, it's time for the green beans. 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 Look at my beautiful baby. Beans. Add salt, black pepper, turmeric, and saffron. But first, wait a minute. Enough is enough. I'm so tired of seeing you guys using the saffron in the wrong way. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, guys, and using it has its own protocols. So if you want to throw away your money, don't. Give it to me, and I will teach you how to use saffron. This is the saffron you buy. This is how you have to grind it. Then place a couple of ice cubes on it and pour some boiling water over it and leave it alone. When the ice cubes melt, our saffron is ready to use with its amazing color. Look at it. I mean, if you can. But look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Come on, look at my beautiful baby. Now add a lot of cinnamon powder. And 2 or 3 spoons of tomato paste. Don't piss me off and don't waste any saffron. Use it until the very last drop. I mean last drop. And with a glass of cold water, we are done with the first part. Now for the second part, polo, which means rice. In the previous video with the fesenjoon, I taught you how to parboil rice. What makes Persian polo beautiful are the separate grains of rice, as known as dun, not being mushy. So knowing exactly when to take the rice off the heat and rise it with the cold water is the golden time that we have to learn with practice. For a golden, crunchy, delicious tahdig, I cut a potato in an amateur way and cut my finger too. After rising the rice, now comes my favorite part, mixing. In the bottom of a hot pot, pour oil and salt. And layer potatoes for an amazing tahdig. Now layer some rice. And a layer of beans. Layer some rice. And a layer of beans. Layer some rice. And a layer of beans. Layer some rice. And put all the beans. Now mix them a little and make some holes. Some holes. And sprinkle a little cinnamon powder on the top of layer. And here is where the magic happens. Actually, nothing happens. Turn the heat to the low and dance because you made Loobia polo and you are proud of yourself. Beside Loobia polo, I love to have yogurt, salt, black pepper, and dried mint. And I know it's weird for you, but we Persian eat lots of foods with the yogurt. My gorgeous baby Loobia polo. And let's enjoy Loobia polo with some friends. And if you live in Toronto, comment below and maybe you can be my guest one day.
صحنه شما آخر نشسته.
See you. Guys, I'm so mad at this idiot mother steel pot that burns all my tactics. I promise, I will one day make a perfect tahdig and show you. I will. You'll see.